Hello friends, today we will discuss some examples of arithmetic mean. If suppose some less than type cumulative frequencies are given, then how we can find arithmetic mean. This type of problem we can see in this video. First, less than type cumulative frequency. It is obtained by adding successively the frequencies of all the previous classes including the class against which it is written. The cumulate is started from the lowest to the highest side. Suppose we are given this type of problem. Classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Suppose these are our classes and corresponding frequencies 2, 6, 2, 15 and 20. First we have to calculate cumulative frequencies less than type. For this, first we write first frequency as it is in the less than type cumulative frequency column. Then for second frequency we have to add this frequency and frequency of next class, which is 6. So here 2 plus 6 is 8. Therefore next frequency is 8. Then next cumulative frequency is 8 plus 2. This 8 plus 2 is 10. The next cumulative frequency is 10 plus 15, which is 25, and last cumulative frequency is 25 plus 20. This is equal to 45. So these are our less than type cumulative frequencies. Then take one problem. Find the arithmetic mean from the following data. Consider marks out of 50 and total frequency is 45. Suppose this problem is given marks below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40 and below 50. These are our marks. Then CF less than type 2, 8, 10, 25 and 45. Suppose this type of problem is given. First we have to calculate corresponding frequency and class marks. Here classes below 10, below 20 up to below 50 are given. First we convert these classes into continuous class form. Here below 10 means 0 to 10, below 20 means 0 to 20, below 30 means 0 to 30, below 40 means 0 to 40 and below 50 means 0 to 50. These class intervals are given. We convert these classes into continuous form. See here 0 to 10, then 0 to 20 means we can write this class as 0 to 10 plus 20 to 20 like this. 0 to 10 plus 10 to 20. Then the class 0 to 30 we can write this class as 0 to 20 plus 20 to 30. Then 0 to 40 means 0 to 30 plus 30 to 40. And last class 0 to 50 means 0 to 40 plus 40 to 50. We know that the frequency of class 0 to 10 is 2. Then for class 2 to 20, this is our 0 to 10 means value of corresponding frequency is 2 plus 10 to 20 means here frequency of class 10 to 20 is 6. Then for next class 0 to 20 we know that 0 to 20 means 8 and remaining frequency which is 2 is our frequency of class 20 to 30. Similarly here for class 30 to 40 our frequency is 10 and last class 40 to 50 our frequency is 25. Like this we can calculate cumulative frequencies from cumulative frequencies our actual frequencies. Here actual frequencies are 2, 6, 2, 15 and 20. These are our actual frequencies. Or we can find these frequencies by subtracting the next value from the previous one. See here. Here first frequency is 2. Then for next frequency we can subtract 2 from the 8. We will get 6 means 8 minus 2 is 6. Then we can here subtract 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 25 minus 10 which is 15. Then 45 minus 25 which is 20. And by this method we can also find value of frequency. Then here we have continuous classes which are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50 and corresponding values of frequencies are 2, 6, 2, 15, 20, and if we add these values we get sum of frequency which is 45. This is our final problem in the continuous form. Here the intervals are in the continuous form and corresponding values are also known. First here we find class marks of these continuous intervals. See here, first continuous class is 0 to 10. Its class marks. Class marks means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Here upper limit is 10, lower limit is 0. 10 plus 0 which is 10 upon 2. 10 plus 0 upon 2 means 5. Therefore our first bit value or class marks is 5. Then for second class, 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 upon 2. 30 upon 2 means 15. This is our next mid value. Next mid value, 30 plus 20 which is 50. 50 upon 2 is 25. Then 40 plus 30 upon 2 is 35. And for last class, 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 upon 2 is 45. These are our mid values. Then we find f into x. We know formula to find arithmetic mean is sum of f into x divided by summation f. For this we require f into x. So here 5 into 2 is 10, then 15 into 6 is 90, 25 into 2 is 50, 35 into 15 is 525, and 45 into 20 is 900. If we add these values, we get summation f into x. It is 1575 and summation f is 45. We know formula of arithmetic mean which is summation fi into xi upon summation fi. We know summation fi. Summation fi is 1575. We use this value here 1575 divided by summation f. Summation f is 45. Therefore, our value of mean is 1575 upon 45 and this is equal to 35. This is our final answer. Then we see, if suppose we have given more than type cumulative frequency, then how we can find arithmetic mean? Take this problem. For this, first we see more than type cumulative frequency. It is obtained by the finding the cumulative total of frequencies starting from the highest to the lowest class. Suppose if we have given this type of problem, classes and frequency. Here frequencies are given 2, 6, 2, 15 and 20. These are suppose our frequencies. For this we have to consider highest class. So here highest class is 40 to 50. Its corresponding frequency is 20. Therefore our first more than type cumulative frequency is 20 for highest class. Then second, more than type cumulative frequencies 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15 is 35. This is our next more than type cumulative frequency. Next more than type cumulative frequency is 35 plus 2 which is 37. Next cumulative frequency is 37 plus 6. 37 plus 6 is 43 and last more than type cumulative frequencies 43 plus 2 which is 45. These are our more than type cumulative frequencies. Then take one problem. Find arithmetic mean from the following data. Consider marks out of 100 and total frequency is 80. Suppose this type of problem is given. Here marks above 0, above 10, up to above 90. These marks are given and corresponding values of more than type cumulative frequencies are 80, 77, etc. up to 8. These are our more than type cumulative frequencies are given. Similar to previous problem, first we have to convert this marks into continuous classes and this cumulative frequencies, more than type cumulative frequencies into frequencies. For this, see here about 10 means 0 to 100. Here marks out of 100 is given, means we have to go up to 100. Therefore above 0 means 0 to 100. Then above 10 means 10 to 100. Above 20 means 20 to 100. Up to above 90 means 90 to 100. These are our classes which are we have given. Then we convert these classes into continuous form, means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this. For this, see here, 0 to 10, 0 to 100, we can write this as 0 to 10 plus 10 to 100. Here value of, for this first we start from last class. Here above 90 means 90 to 100, 90 to 100 corresponding value is 8. Therefore here we have to write value of frequency which is 8. Then next class above 80 means 80 to 100. We split this class into 80 to 90 plus 90 to 100. Here value of frequency for class 90 to 100 is given 8, and if we subtract 8 from 10 we get here 2. This is our value of class 80 to 90. Similarly we can find value of f for the all classes. Here, see here, I have written continuous classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this, and corresponding value of frequencies which are we have calculated 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 12, 6, 2 and 8. I have written these values here, and if we add these values, our total frequency which is 80. Then see here we have continuous classes and corresponding value of frequency. From these two columns, we first find class marks or mid values, and then from mid values and values of f we can calculate arithmetic mean. See here mid values of first class is 0. Mid value of class 0 to 10 is 0 plus 10 upon 2. 0 plus 10 is 10 upon 2 is 5. Then for second class 10 to 20, 10 plus 20 upon 2 means 15. Like this we can calculate mid values of all other class, and values of f are given. If we multiply value of f into x, we will get value of f into x. 5 into 3 is 15, then 15 into 5 is 75. Like this we can calculate value of f into x. So here value of f into x is 4086 and value of summation f is 80. If we use our formula of arithmetic mean, summation f into x upon summation f, we will get final answer. See here, value of f into x is 4086 and value of summation f is 80. We put these two values in our formula, and if we calculate we get final answer 51.075. Thank you.